Welcome back. Track and field is where we begin. Having delivered Jamaica's only gold medal at the recent World Athletics Championships in Tokyo, Japan, Oblique Seville and his management team are now set to cash in on opportunities for the sprinter. In part 2 of this next story, the way forward for the newly crowned world champion is outlined. In part 1, a special meal requested by newly crowned world champion Oblique Seville on the day of the men's 100-meter final at the Tokyo World Championships in Japan seemed to have opened his appetite for victory. Coach Marshall Woolery, assistant to Glenn Mills at the Racers Track Club, was with Seville in Tokyo.
That meal help us. It's like you soothe the mind, you give him something that help him to relax, and he eat not too much but just eat enough to help. And he put on the rest for his neck and say, boy, I have to come home back to enjoy Axdale in the night. So, Mr. Peart, enough respect to you. For Seville's agent, Norman Perrott, he was given one job on the day of the final. But how was that race won?
My job today was to go and get oxtail and jerk chicken and rice and peas. Right. And I went walking and from people from the ambassador's office was, helped me. So that was my job, to deliver the food and say, boss, do your thing. But Jeffrey King, Sean Kettle, Marshall Woolery, they are the heroes for tonight. But how did Seville's behind-the-scenes team in Tokyo put everything together, including keeping on track with Coach Mills, who was in Jamaica? And Jeffrey King, one of Seville's massage therapists in Tokyo, says it was a simple formula.
Communication is the key. Myself and Coach Mills, Coach Woolery, we work very closely. We listen to each other. We, work as a unit, ensure that what we do is beneficial to the athlete, which is Oblique Seville. So, we just come together as a group, ensure that whatever is feeling, how the body is feeling, we ensure that we work accordingly to how he's feeling.
And with mission accomplished in Tokyo, what's next for world champion Seville and his team?
He goes back, gets his break, and then how it works, Coach Mills determines where he runs, and my job is to make sure he gets paid.
While Seville's management team will work to ensure he is paid in full going forward, one thing is for certain: the making of a champion was completed in Tokyo.